Halo is a maintenance-free whole house filtration and conditioning system. You're saving money, your water heaters last longer, your plumbing lasts longer because you're treating the water as it comes into the home.
It's there, they installed it, it took no time at all, and within 30 minutes, our whole house had filtered water.
If it's not fun and it's not easy, it's not Halo.
Immediately, I noticed within the first week, my skin felt better, and I didn't have to buy bottled water or those filters and spend so much money on that because I knew coming right out of my faucet, the water was clean. I felt so good about the water I was drinking again.
Being able to have clean water to shower in, to drink, I just think it's great.